want to change the language when watching a YouTube video? This is a pretty cool trick that allows you to switch the audio language while enjoying content on YouTube. It works on both iPhone and Android devices. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of YouTube installed. If an update is needed, simply update the app before proceeding. Once updated, open the YouTube app. For this tutorial, I'll open a MrBeast video, but this will work on most YouTube videos. To change the audio language, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. A few options related to your video will appear. Select the option named Audio Track, and you'll see a list of available languages for that specific video. I'm going to choose the French audio language, and now when I watch the video, it will have French narration, making it easier for me to understand. Keep in mind that some videos offer more language tracks, giving you more options, while others may have fewer. If your preferred language isn't available, you can always enable captions, which typically support a wider variety of languages. This is a handy feature, and if you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.